Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Yasfa, Sharifah. Am I right?
Nafisa.
Nafisa. Who is Sharifah? Yasfa, I think you need to forget your K-pop for a while. Forget my football. Because there is something very urgent we need to do lately.
Yes.
A very viral warning, a blue background with Garuda. How to say Garuda? Let's say it's Garuda. Written there, emergency warning. Is it? Emergency. Look at this. Emergency warning. I found this from Mata Najwa, Mbak Nana,
Yes.
about this.
Uploaded.
And she explained it to us about more detailed information. So, what do you think, Yaswa? What should we do as teenager?
Wow.
Should we play Mobile Legends just like your friend over there? No, he doesn't. What should we do, Yaswa?
Cause
Should we go to MPR, DPR building, or what could we do?
me as a teenager, I think it how to say it? Can I say it in just in Indonesian?
Indonesia? No. You could say
Okay.
how to say this. We could help you
Like I think my parents wouldn't allow me to go
to demonstration.
Yes, demonstration. So I just trend the hashtag on Twitter and then spread the awareness about the situation now.
For sure.
I cannot do a lot of things, but I hope it helps.
Sure. It does. It helps a lot because, it sounds like a cyber army. Have you heard?
Oh, yeah,
cyber
cyber,
army.
yeah.
So back then, people how to say that? They use their sword. They use their shield. But now we have internet. We have social media, and then it could be very powerful because it contains words, and we completely agree that words is very impactful. Words are very strong. So by using the hashtag, by sharing those things, we could help. But if you get the chance, would you go to the street just like Reza Rahadian and friends?
I think I will try to demonstrate
Wow.
to DPR or MPR.
What will you do?
DPR.
Burning the tire?
No.
So what will you do?
Wait, how to say it? Bukan orasi apa sih?
Or you will just yell, shout at them. You will have a poster, A3
Yeah.
paper. K-pop, I'm sorry for now. I will go for my government.
Even though,
Yeah, you will show off your feeling.
yes, of
Because
course.
it deals a lot with our feeling, right?
Yeah.
As nation, as people, Indonesian people, it's like there is a wound in our heart. Do you feel that?
Yes. Like I'm so, how to say?
It's August, you know. Yeah, jengkel. How to say jengkel in
I
English?
don't know. Like,
It's
I'm
like,
super stayed from the.
yeah, it's like,
Super stayed because of the government thing. That one family. Can I say that?
yeah,
Is
yes.
it okay to say this?
We could say that. No one will catch us. No one will arrest us. It's
Yeah, that one family.
even they are forced to be. Look, let's say I am jobless and there is a vacancy, job vacancy. It's written maximum age is 30. I'm 33 years old right now. Could I apply to those?
No.
No. How if I go to MK and change? So, what could we do? Yes, what do you think about that? That's so anime for me. It's like a One Piece or Naruto story, but it happens in our government, and those people, there are still a lot of their supporter.
Yeah.
Yeah, could you imagine that?
Yeah.
What do they think? What do they think? I could imagine.
Like
I couldn't imagine.
they thought that family just okay, just leave to that family, like kayak biarin aja mereka yang ngurus gitu. That
We
one
believe on
family.
you like that.
Yeah, yeah. They
But-
say their work is good.
They say like that.
Ya, katanya kayak, oh kerja mereka bagus, mereka aja gitu. Like,
Perhaps maybe you have a friend, some friends which support them. Do you?
friends? No, I think no.
But on social media, there are a lot of comments. They
Yeah.
support on them. Yeah. Democracy, NKRI Indonesia, and it's kind of a tragedy. And I heard from Reza Radian that they created a regulation which is very fast and it's abnormal. It's abnormal. So, is Indonesia okay as far lately?
No.
No, we are not. So, Yasva will do a lot of things from social media, right?
Sure.
Share the knowledge, share the news, the information. If we could have a chance, we will go to the street. And then, what is your suggestion to the other teenagers?
I think they just have to spread awareness about the thing that happened right now, and like if you can and if you has the chance,
Chance. It's British chance.
chance,
But some people say change it.
yeah, you can do the demonstration if you want and if you can. It's simple as that, I think.
Yeah. So the most important thing is just try to feel it. Just try to feel it, guys. What did I say? If you could feel it, just try to feel it. Whether our heart has a wound, it hurts or not, right? Just try to feel it. Just try to be logic and try to think deeper. What is happening now? Try to think deeper. And if you feel hurt on your heart, so you must utter it, you must say it, you must write it down, you must express it. And the demonstration is the result of their expression about this situation. So we will not keep silent, of course, because we have responsibility to do this, to protect our nation from those dynasty and those friends and the other people who try to lead this nation brutally. Is it too hard? Brutally. Is that brutal?
Yes, brutally.
What makes me sad is, you know what, Yasra, every day there are a lot of people which is considered as poverty people, poverty papa, kaum papa, poverty people. They sleep with hunger in their stomach. You know, it's the fact data that every day there are a lot of people in Indonesia. They sleep with the condition of their stomach is hungry. Well, it happens in a lot of times. Our government, they think about their greedy. I say it's greedy. It's about greedy ambition. You force your son to get a great position. It doesn't make sense, you know. There are a lot of more capable people, right? There are a lot of capable people who can lead us over there. But why should we force
These people.
those people? There are a lot of girls, I saw them on video, they walk to their school and they swim by the river holding on their uniform. In the end of the river, they change the clothes and they go to school. In their area, there is no bridge across the river to get the school. While a lot of sadness happening in this nation, but those people up there, they, it hurts my heart.
Yeah.
Do you feel that? So you might close this by using your expression, your message to our friends, to our viewers. What should we do? We cannot stop, we cannot keep silent. We could do something, even something small. It could be very bigger if we do it together. Yes, Fab. Your last words for this podcast.
What type of
Message
message?
already. Your expression, your suggestion. Again, the last suggestion. Your feeling,
Serious.
emotion, seriously.
Emotion. Wow. Like, I feel. I don't know how to say.
But you have said that before. I know you could feel it, right, Yasva? So we cannot stop. So you know what? As a young generation, what should we do? Besides sharing those propaganda, besides sharing those emergency warning, what should we do?
Maybe for the future, like we have to study.
Yes, that's the
So we can menggantikan mereka.
We can change them, replace.
Replace, yeah. So the teenager in the future can replace the uncompetent people. So competent people like teenagers right now.
Yeah. Yes, that's
Study.
what I mean. Besides sharing this warning emergency, you guys as teenagers, so take it as a revenge. So you have a revenge, but not a big revenge, Spider-Man to Venom, but it's a great revenge, a nobility revenge for your nation. You see, those people they are incompetent, so you will build yourself to be
Yes.
the best version of you, and you will build this nation. Okay, Asma, thank you very much for this podcast. I hope you could get a beneficial things for us. See you. Bye. See you on the next episode. Bye.
Thank you for
Thank you, Asma.